Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, bottom line, the steadiest snow with this system will clearly be southern suburbs of further south. You go South Shore, lower part of Narragansett Bay, coastal Massachusetts as well. Take a look in Newport, where the visibility has been dropping off a little bit with light to at times moderate snow. Temperatures that are in the 20s at last check, coming in at 27 degrees. Most locations now low and mid 20s, and Smithfield's at 22, Westerly 25, and New Bedford at 26. So fairly uniform temperatures. Threat tracker for this evening now till about the midnight hour, still keeping it in that yellow level. Evening snow, the most to the southeast. Untreated surfaces, roads will become slick, especially in southern suburbs. We're back on track Saturday and Sunday. Weather looks fine with dry conditions. I want to show you the latest radar trend, and this has me somewhat concerned, actually concerned for the better. In other words, I'm noticing the trend or the movement of the precipitation. You know, there's more of an easterly component than a northeast component, and if that continues to hold over the next several hours, if this precipitation shield doesn't start to expand and take more of a northward component, what's going to happen is we're going to end up favoring the lower end of our forecast. And that's why we give a range as far as snowfall accumulations, and I'll show you that in just a second. So a weak area of low pressure, and one reason why this isn't going to be a big deal as far as a huge amount of snow, it's just moving at a fairly rapid pace. It's going to race off to the east and northeast. In fact, by midnight, it's actually out of here. So it's about a 5 to 6 hour period worth of snow. Getting real close, take a look at Futurecast, and it shows the shield of snow advancing to the north. This is 10 o'clock in the evening, but watch how rapidly it pulls away by 11 o'clock midnight, clearing skies late at night, and this sets the stage for cold, dry sunshine tomorrow morning. Sunshine throughout the afternoon, temperatures between roughly 30 and 35 degrees. Then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, weather is fine, just clear and chilly, temps in the mid-20s. Less to the north, bit more to the south, especially the immediate South Shore. So we talked about the accumulation range. South and east of Providence, the range is between 1 and 3. So what we're clearly trying to convey here is that it can be as little as 1 to as much as 3. If that easterly component on the radar continues, we're going to end up more on the low end of this. And still feel confident that there's really not as much the further north and west you go of Providence, anywhere from as little as to a dusting to as much of it as an inch. But as we learned yesterday, it doesn't really take a lot of snow to cause untreated surfaces to become pretty slippery. So for tomorrow morning, looking at sunshine, cold and dry, temps between 20 and 25. And then during the afternoon, topping out around 33, 34 with some sunshine, decent day. And really most of Sunday looks fine. Late Sunday night into Monday, a frozen mixture, changing over to some light rain on Monday as temperatures warm up a little bit, close to 40. A brief warm up on Tuesday before cooler weather returns on Wednesday and Thursday. So still looking at small amounts. You can download the Channel 12 weather app on your smartphone and on your tablets as well. So bottom line, south of Providence near the coastline, as little as 1 to as much as 3. North and west of city, anywhere from just a coating to an inch.
And as Erica Ritchie pointed out, she's in Breaking News 1 on the roads right now. You have people going home from work. You have people going out to Christmas parties. You have people going out Christmas shopping. So a lot of people on the roads, and even though this isn't a huge weather system, it can still cause problems out there.
Yeah, you just reduce the friction on the road because of ice and snow, and you get a hold on to the steering wheel. So just be careful.
Take it slow. Stay far behind the person in front of you. Yeah, have fun. All right. And